So over here you can see that I am in my Gantt chart view, and over here on the left side you got some columns right here. And over here in the columns, if I were to go around and then resize this, to resize it, you can click on the division point right here and click and drag this around right here, and everything is resized, as you can see, just like this. And the text wraps around and the row sizes increases as you resize out the column right here, just like this. So sometimes you don't want the columns to resize right here, that is the rows to resize, and in that case you can go around and right click and turn off the wrap text mode. And once you do that, what happens is that as you change around the column size right here, nothing resizes, as you can see right here, but the text itself remains as it is. If you want to resize out the rows, you can click and drag out the rows right here, and that is how everything seems right here. You can go around, resize out the row right here, and then you can see that it manually shows up the other contents that has been hiding right here as I resize out the column right here. You can turn on the wrapping once more by right clicking and by clicking on wrap text right here, and everything wraps around once more. If you want a perfect size right here for a particular column, then you can double click and then it resizes out the column, as you can see right here, just like this, to the perfect size, and it fits the text right here. Similarly, you can go around over here, double click, and you can see that it perfectly resizes out the column to the size it takes for the text to accumulate right here. And that is how you can go around and resize up the columns and rows inside of Microsoft Project, and then use the wrap text feature as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.